Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, I always come back with a new makeup style for you to try, and if not, well, then you could just watch my videos. So as we know, spring break is coming up, and whatever your plans are, we always like to stay in style. So I thought I would come to you with more of an ocean view look, just in case you guys wanna go to the beach and match the waves. Who's to say? Hopefully you like them. But first off, we want to start with priming our eyelids. Oh my god, I think I got some in my eyeball.
Oh my god, I think I got some in my eyeball.
So we're going to be using this palette again. It is the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now, this palette has been coming in so strong for me lately. All I could think is like, look at all these colors. They just stick out, and it's just like, if I use any of my other palettes, it's kind of like, I don't know. It's just like, I'm not used to the colors. I'm just not feeling it yet. So I've gotten really confident with this palette, and I think I'm just gonna dig in and show you my look. Cream. So we're gonna take some silk cream, and we're just gonna put it right here on the eyelids as a base. As always, I love this color with
my profound heart.
Okay, we're gonna take the shade Jada. So, I thought about it while the video was paused. I am feeling
a little extra.
So, I'm going to put the tape line here. And we're going to make a really nice, sharp look with Jada. So, we're going to go bold with this one. Okay? So, as always, excess. So, we're just going to slightly go for the outside. Make Jada look a little poppin' today. Now we want to go a little darker, right? So
it was at this moment Julia knew she fucked up.
And of course, we're gonna go a little shade darker, but not too dark because, you know, we're trying to look very positive, okay? So we're gonna dig in to shade Diva. Now right here, we're just gonna follow the outside of the tape, and we're just gonna bring that in a little. Now that we're thinking oceans and the dark seas, now we gotta think about the sand, okay? So we're gonna take shade Queen here, because you know, the queen's always popping and she's doing her thing. And we're just gonna carry it right here. Always blend out your look. We are going to take shade Beam and just apply it right under our brow bone. Now we're going to take Heavy Metal by Urban Decay, and we're just going to lay it on the inner crease.
just like you.